Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your MailChimp account to your Pipedrive account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your MailChimp to Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to integrate and link your different softwares, and that makes the process a lot easier. Instead of going step by step to share the information, whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your MailChimp to Pipedrive, you're going to need to click on this puzzle icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Browse Marketplace, the green button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the integrations available, and you're going to see the MailChimp logo right there. Go ahead and click on MailChimp. If you don't see that, don't worry, just click in the search bar and type in MailChimp and then search. Okay, and you're going to see this right here. Okay, so Pipedrive is going to give you a little bit of information on what's going to happen. So basically, you're going to be able to sync up your contacts with MailChimp, and this is a two-way sync. So if you're okay with that, go ahead and click on this green authorize button here at the bottom right. Okay, Pipedrive lets you know that MailChimp is going to need access to these bits of information. If you're okay with that, click on allow and install. Okay, next, MailChimp opens up the login screen, so you need to enter in your username and password. This is to your MailChimp account, not to your Pipedrive account. Okay, next, MailChimp is warning you that by allowing Pipedrive to access your MailChimp account, you're going to be sharing this information. If you're okay with that, click on allow. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that in the MailChimp settings, it's connected right here on the top right. Now, if you want to sync your contacts automatically, you can go ahead and add the sync bot. Okay, so now you can go ahead and sync your contacts between MailChimp and Pipedrive right here. So you're going to go ahead and choose the filter and then choose the audience that you're going to add them into MailChimp. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your MailChimp account to your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.